How's it going, everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be checking out MBRP's catback exhaust kit for the 99 to 04 GT and 03 04 Mach 1 Mustangs, as well as provide some sound clips. Let's check it out. All right, so at the time of this video, the 99 to 04 Mustangs are at a point where the majority of them have been modified in some way, form, or fashion. Of those modifications, the exhaust system is usually a top priority for many Mustang enthusiasts, and this catback exhaust kit from MBRP is a great option for anyone looking to switch up their current exhaust setup without spending just a ton of money. This kit features 2.5-inch mandrel bent aluminized tubing, which has all been precisely bent to offer a really nice fit. Each of the hanger rods are accurately placed on the piping, so the factory hangers install without any extra effort. The mufflers included in this kit are a round, straight-through design that incorporates mesh packing and louvers to help create a throaty exhaust note. MBRP claims that this muffler offers a quote-unquote moderate sound level. Exiting the catback are dual-walled slant-cut tips that have a 3.5-inch outside diameter. In the box, you're going to get two mufflers, exhaust piping, flanges, clamps, and installation hardware. Now, depending on the age and condition of those hangers that are currently on the vehicle, you might use this opportunity to go ahead and buy some new stuff as well. Be sure to check out the website for the associated hardware. This kit is designed to fit 1999 to 2004 Mustang GTs and 2003 and 2004 Mach 1s. Installing this kit is pretty straightforward, and whenever you remove your existing setup, you simply reverse the majority of those steps to install this kit. Now, we've already installed a kit onto LMR's Azure Blue Mach 1, so we're going to move it outside for some sound clips in just a few seconds. Speaking of those sound clips, as crazy as it sounds, no pun intended, this Mach 1 still has factory manifolds and a factory mid-pipe with 4 catalytic converters. So if you're running a different mid-pipe other than the factory one, expect this kit to be a little louder than what you're about to hear. Since this Mach 1 still has the factory mid-pipe, there is absolutely no drone inside of the car, which I personally like. With that being said, depending on your exhaust setup and the type of mid-pipe that is on the car, whether it be free-flowing or a high-flow cat option, you may experience some drone at low RPM cruising speeds because of the nature of the muffler design. All right, enough of me talking. Let's check out some sound clips. All right, fellas, like any of our videos, we hope this one has benefited you in some way. For the most current product information, pricing, and availability on anything in the video, please reference the video description or the website. That's all we have for you today, so until we catch you in the next one, for all things New Edge Mustang, y'all know what to do. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.